Here's a little information about how to format your Works Cited page. Now, first of all, it should still be your Times New Roman 12-point double space, just like all the text above it, because it's part of the paper and your MLA format. Now we have here some different items. Now what I'm going to do is show you how to do a hanging indent, because in a Works Cited, it's like the opposite of a paragraph. In a paragraph, you indent the first line like this. But in a Works Cited, you do not indent the first line. You indent the other lines besides the first one. It's like the opposite of how you format a paragraph. You'll see how in just a second. So I'm going to pick these up and move them to the ½ point. And now you see everything is moved to the ½ point. But don't worry, we'll fix that. Now we'll click on that top one, just the line part, not the triangle. For the last time I just grabbed the bottom triangle and moved it, but now I'm going to move that first line indent line, that little flat line, and there you go. Now it is formatted with the first line. It is not indented, but all the other lines are. Now it just look, all of these are fairly short, so they only have 1 second line, but if there was more, you can see it would just continue to indent it that way. That is called a hanging indent. Let me go ahead and delete that very quickly. Now, you need to make sure when you've copied these using easybib.com that all of the things were copied over properly, that you have your italics where they belong, that you have your periods and things like that. So go through and check it after you copy it, because sometimes there are some little mistakes when you copy and paste. Another thing that has happened whenever people have copied and pasted things from EasyBib is sometimes the background of the text has a color. And so there's some things you have to do for that. Here's your text and your highlight. Now if you click here for text, that would be your text color. I haven't run into anyone having a problem with their text color being wrong. But I have had a number of people where it has a background color when they paste it in here. So you would click here where it says highlight and then click none. When you do that, the background color will go away. I can't think of any other issues other than some formatting, making sure you have your italics and the background color for the Works Cited so far. So I will go ahead and stop that, and I'll add on to this video if I do have more students bring up some more problems. But here, the Works Cited, where it says this, you need to click right here and center it. Now you have a beautiful Works Cited. Good luck!